Hello friends, I am Priyanshu Reddy and in this video I am going to modify this JCB. After the modification of this JCB, I will control all these functions through my mobile. For the modification, some materials are required and the materials are Arduino Uno, lithium battery, DC motor and motor driver and one Bluetooth module and few servo motors, and the last one is the jumper wires, male to male, female to male. Now we have completed our modification of JCB. So let's see how it's work. Firstly, I will tell you that to control it we need an app. Here, let's connect our robot to the app. It's already connected. Let's see how it's work.